Let's see.
You got Korean pot, that's new.
What?
The Korean.
The Korean barbecue hot pot.
Hot pot, that's new.
That's new.
The JD is new.
JD's new.
Okay, we haven't been here for years.
Look at the seagull. Oh, I just heard is that a crow? Oh, right there's the crow. Got it? Right there. Let's see if I can show it. That's a crow. See right there? When you hear a crow crying, in some cultures that means death or bad news. A crow.
They knocked all the trees down, that's why.
You got the you got the seagulls all around the place. All right. Oh man, crow. Uh oh. To some cultures.